If you wanted a brighter green color, can y'all think of any other plants that would work?
Lettuce?
Sweet.
Lettuce?
Maybe. I think spinach. Put spinach and why you get like a darker green. Or the parsley.
So start with yellow colors.
Start lighter and then get darker. Yes, the turmeric. Start with the golden, or maybe even the parsley, because it's kind of this really light olive color, and I think the turmeric would show up.
So are we going to be painting, or are we going to be sketching?
You can do both. I brought Sharpies, so I'm going to give you swatches, these guys. So this is one that I did parsley and turmeric on, so you can kind of see, how light it can be.
On it?
You can. You can draw on them and then paint over top, or you can go ahead and do your paint, try each one, and see how it works. And if y'all,
The parsley smells green. No, it's impossible to crush. It's on my nose.
oh, you'll have green nose forever, Julia.
But on my nose.
At least it's not brown now.
In your nose or on your nose? Wait, it stains on your skin? In your nose or on your nose?
Oh my god, this smells amazing.
But it'll go away.
Oh, no.
You want to smell the parsley?
Can I go?
Play is fun.
Okay.
I'm rolling.
Oh god.
I got a splinter.
Oh no! Anyone want to share their piece?
Sure. So I made 3 pendants. And they're weird.
Here,
So
one at
this
a
is
time.
cool heart person stamp.
Wait, let me
This is a cool Indian eye. I did not draw these. This is just a cool pattern.
Egyptian eye.
What did I say?
Indian.
Oh, that's not what I meant. I meant Egyptian. And then I made this thing, which I'm scared is gonna break, but this pocket.
Gorgeous. All right, leave it down. You don't have to pick it up. It's fine. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Let's stop.
I like the way yours looks.
I would say fire, earth, water, and I would think this would be air. No, this.
Ew. Oh, I thought you said food. I was like, what?
Well, plant is food.
Yeah.
Let's see. Definitely water. Center.
Oh yeah, this.
And fire. Center. Fire. Wait, which one's center for you? I would think that would be.
So I kind of need some help. If somebody can go around collecting like the pencils and the tools and stuff, would be helping all of any of my stamps and things and put them all back in there.
Pam. What are you doing?
It's yours?
Oh, can I write my initials?
Sure.
Or my name?
Sure.
There's a lot of them. Jonathan, your music is perfect for this.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is supposed to be dark yellow.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And this is gonna
All
be
right,
Robin's egg.
Girls, can I just have you? Can you guys just look up and I want to see all your pretty faces? Thank you. Yay. Thanks.
By the way, I really like your shirt.
Thank you. Oh, got my own shirt on. Finish. All right.
Did we do the bottom of this, like, or no? Like, would we flip it
You
over?
yeah, don't do the bottom of it because I'm gonna glaze them. I'm gonna fire them down. So, but it'll turn out to be a really pretty terracotta color. So,
What is terracotta?
terracotta is like a reddish,
Like brick.
like a brick. Yeah.
Oh,
Like a
okay.
brick color.
Oh, I thought you meant this color. I was like,
But we
no,
do
no,
get
no.
the sides, right? We do get the
You
sides.
can do the sides. Yeah.
I was like, oh
Just
god,
be-
this is
try
ugly.
not to get on the back. All right, sweetie.
So
what
will it
is-
dry like that?
It's gonna dry like this. That peacock will be fired like this. Okay, what's your initials?
B-O.
B. Oh.
That's her full name? Well, no. No, but that's what we call her. But is it okay that it stays like that?
Yep.
Okay.
So this is gonna turn out to be like a light blue, right?
Is
It's
that the
robin's
robin's
egg.
egg? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bright light blue.
And the sapphire blue turns out really pretty.
Yeah, the sapphire is gorgeous. That's one of my favorites.
I'm doing sapphire blue.
What happened, Gloria?
The girl escaped from the garden. And now we don't know what to do or how many more will escape. Will they all have an uprising and come together and leave? Or are they happy in the garden?
Or will they join us and attack us? Join together and attack us. That was it?
Oh no, they wouldn't. I don't think so. They might trip us. If we don't take care of them, then they might put out their things and trip us, right? And attack us.
I'll trip them.
How do you trip?
don't
That's
have
good.
any
That's what
hands.
they're for.
They don't have any hands.
That's what they're for.
I can eat. I heard from someone. Turn around.
This isn't stinging
This
at all.
is dewweed.
Yeah, this is dewweed. It tastes disgusting.
Mama whipped my kale in half. Alright, so what we're gonna do. Alright. What are you doing? I'm watching you guys. Why? Because I need to. Why are you moving so much? Because I'm worried you guys will run.
That's pretty crazy. That's scary. Killed another.
No!
You ready?
Okay. Go! Ow! Did you get a picture?
Yeah.
Did I see?
I know. See?
My dad does it perfectly. Make sure you don't want to bite it. My dad does it like that color all the way. They are just like,
Yes, ma'am.
they are not a little size separate.
Anybody else ready for chocolate?
Oh! Milk chocolate. Is this dark milk chocolate? Thank you. It's milk? It's milk.
It's good chocolate.
Oh, sorry.
We didn't get Hershey's or anything this time.